Hi everyone! Happy Thanksgiving! I hope you are having a wonderful day with your friends and family. I'm excited that you're joining me on this day because I have a lot of great products that I want to share with you that I've been loving lately. So let's go ahead and get into it. The skincare product that I've been loving lately is by Pixi. It's called Glow Tonic. My skin just looks really pretty and glowy after using this product, and especially on the days when I'm lazy, don't want to use a mask or exfoliate, this really comes in handy. Like it says, it exfoliates your skin and it's a toner in one. I have sensitive, normal to dry skin, and I find that it doesn't dry me out and it doesn't irritate my skin at all. So that's why I've been loving this. You guys should try it out. I got a bunch of these little tiny travel size samples they sent me over Halloween, and that was when I tried it out for the first time. I'm sure this comes in a big size too. But yeah, you guys check it out. Next is a favorite that has been a favorite and in my everyday routine for the last, I've been using it since May. So it's been about 6 months or so. And that is the Missha Perfect Cover BB Cream, and I am in the shade number 27. This product has an SPF of 42. I'll read to you what it says on the bottle. Missha M Perfect Cover BB Cream offers a novel skincare concept with BB cream, which lightens skin tone by healing visible wrinkles and blemishes with excellent skin cover ability and prevents skin aging through effective whitening and anti-wrinkle properties. It has amazing coverage. It gives your skin a really pretty dewy finish. It doesn't feel like you have foundation on. It really just feels like skincare, like you've just moisturized your skin really well. And on top of all of that, it has really high SPF coverage, which is amazing. This was basically my holy grail item during my entire pregnancy this time around. Because of my lack of sun protection during my first pregnancy, I got a ton of hyperpigmentation and sunspots all over my cheeks. And I really feel like because of this foundation, I was able to prevent any more pigmentation and really just protect my skin. This is my second tube of this. I'm just in love with it. Next is a product that I've been using pretty much every day ever since I got it, and that is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush collection. So the entire collection, if you buy it as a whole set, it comes in this really cool box, and it just opens up flat like this where all the brushes sit. I am thoroughly impressed with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush sets. The brushes are very high quality, much higher quality than just a normal Morphe brush, I will have to say. I own a lot of Morphe brushes, and these are by far much better quality. So Jaclyn did a great job. I also think the brushes are aesthetically beautiful. Some of my favorite brushes from the collection are, I will show you guys, this paddle brush. This is the JH02. Really soft. It makes putting on your bronzer really quick and easy, and that's what I've been using it for, or blush. I kind of just, when I'm on the go quick, this is what I like using. And then, I mean, all the eye brushes, all the blending brushes are great. I really can't complain. But these two brushes have kind of been a staple. And I don't own brushes like this. For my eye shape and my eye type, I find that these brushes do an amazing job for really getting into the detail work. So this tiny little one here, I like to use for my under eyes. And then this one here is great to add color for a cut crease or just pack on color. It's flat, but it's a dense brush. I really like using it. This is all I've been using as far as my brushes lately. So if you're looking for a great brush set, I would really recommend splurging on the Jaclyn Hill collection. And it's really not a huge splurge either. For the amount of brushes you get and for the quality of brushes they are, I think it's definitely worth it. Now, while we're on the topic of Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, you guys might know that she also came out with the Eyeshadow Vault. And I haven't really had a chance to use all of the palettes, but I have been using the Ring the Alarm palette almost every day. This is what I have on my eyes currently. Super pretty colors. I'm wearing these three down here, as well as this one here. I know that there was a little bit of controversy with some of the eyeshadows being really patchy and not consistent, and this vault that I got was after they fixed everything and reformulated and made sure everything was consistent, and I think they're great. So they must have fixed whatever inconsistency there was, because I'm very happy with it, and especially the Ring the Alarm palette I'm in love with and have been using all the time. Next is a product from Mongolia. For my viewers that live in the States, unfortunately you cannot purchase this in the States, but for all of my viewers who live in Mongolia, I wanted to mention Zaya's lashes. These are some really great luxury mink lashes. I am currently wearing the style M3. I find that it's just really light, really comfortable and fluttery, super pretty, and they have really natural versions. Like, I'll show you. This is one of the natural ones that they have. They're dramatic, but not too crazy, which is perfect for if you have Asian eyes or if you have smaller eyes. I try to be on trend with like the Lily lashes or some other like mink lash companies that are really popular, and they're just humongous for my eyes. They're just way too big. They just have the right amount of hair for a smaller eye shape. I really hope they can start selling these in the States because I absolutely love them. It also has really cool packaging. I mean, it's a little excessive, it's a little large, but it's cool nonetheless. The next product that I want to mention is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Many of you guys probably know about Ipsy. It's a beauty subscription box. They send sample size products every month, and a lot of people love it. I unfortunately didn't jump on the wagon just because I'm not a huge fan of sample size products, and so that kind of just steered me away from it, and I never really signed up. But they came out with the Glam Bag Plus. With the Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size products every month in your box, which I think that's amazing. It's such a great deal, and I have been really, really happy with the products that I've been receiving. Actually really blown away. I've gotten 2 boxes so far. We added an extra product this month just to say welcome to Glam Bag Plus. So this month I got 6 products. It comes with a makeup bag as well, every 3 shipments it says. And so this past month I got the Dewy Spritz. It's a really pretty setting spray, and if you see the inside, it has luminous shimmer within the liquid, and it kind of settles at the bottom, and every time before I use it, I just shake it up a little bit, and I've been really loving this. Next, I got this mud mask. It gently resurfaces, detoxifies, brightens, tightens, and smooths. I've used this about 2 times, so a couple times already, and so far I really like it. It's a really great mask. Then there is also this Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner, Line and Define. Haven't really tried that out yet. It came with a Morphe highlighter in the color Extra. Love this highlighter. Sorry guys, my lighting is just really messing with me. It's currently late afternoon, so there's a lot of like yellow sunlight coming through my window, and I just had to close my blinds. This is a highlighter by Morphe in the color Extra that came in the box that I have been using pretty much every time I use highlighter. It's great. There was this Tarte mascara called Maneater, and there was also this Smashbox Cover Shot Bold Glitter Eye Palette. If you're already on their subscription list, I would definitely see if you can get into the Glam Bag Plus subscription. I think they have a limited quantity at the moment for the Glam Bag Plus. I'm not really sure where they are at with that. And In my last box, I'll show you a couple of the products that just have really stuck with me. The CEO Sunday Riley Protect and Repair Moisturizer was in there, and I mean, I've used most of it up. It's been a while. It smells delicious, but you can see how much of that I've already used up. And I also got the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream infused with all-powerful guarana extract. This is a fast absorbing body cream. Helps tighten and smooth like no other. And it also came with a eyeshadow palette from Morphe that looks like this. And this is considered one full-size item. I was just shocked that these great products all come in one box for one subscription. All right, guys, so that is everything I have for you for my favorites this time around. I wanted to include a little giveaway at the end of this video in honor of Thanksgiving because I am super thankful for you guys. I could be gone for months at a time, even up to a year was my last stretch of time that I didn't make a video, and you guys still stick around and you guys still wait for me to upload, which is so amazing. You guys are probably some of the best subscribers a girl could ask for. So in honor of Thanksgiving and to show my appreciation and thanks to you guys, I wanted to give away this Morphe 8-piece brush collection. It comes with this really cute glittery black pouch and then 8 brushes inside. I'm not gonna open it from the individual bag, but I want you to guys see what the brushes look like. So the brushes are studded with black jewels, and it's a really cool looking brush. You get 3 face brushes and then 5 different eye brushes in here. So this brush set will be going to one of you lucky girls. And to enter in this giveaway, all you have to do is just follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and leave a comment down below. Just any comment, and I will announce the winner on my Instagram story. So keep an eye out on my Instagram story, and I will announce the winner there a week from today when this video is uploaded, and I will reach out to you via messages as well. Again, guys, thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for always being so sweet and for watching my videos. I'll be doing lots more giveaways periodically here on this channel, so don't be bummed out if you don't win this time around. Alright, so that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!